University. It was on theory of prime numbers. I think you saw it somewhere, right? It was an online program, a certification program on prime numbers. I never went there. Distance, Sumit, let's see. Okay, 4 groups. So now if you can see this, what do you see? A mesh of confusing mesh of arrangements. By the way, let us... No, I don't know Japanese language, Shani. No. I only know English, Hindi, Sanskrit. Understand that how many of you, Punjabi and Bhojpuri, like different kind of movies. So, this is the set in which people who like Interstellar would be there, okay? Which set? I'll just make it yellow. All the people who will be lying here are the people who are who like watching Interstellar. All right? Then, these are the people who like Inception. I'll just mark it blue. Which one? This one. All right? Okay. Now, these are the people who like John Wick. Cool. Live class application hard copy, yeah, that is sufficient, Pranav. That is sufficient. And one more. We have one more set. Now you can easily see earlier the sets were all white. Now I have colored them. And these are the people who like, let's say, कोई हिंदी फिल्म ले आते हैं कुछ कुछ होता है okay, so we have 4 different kind of people over here. And now you can see here that all the sets are differently colored. Now, tell me something. I'll just try to mark it, everything. Let this be A, let this be B, let this be C, and let this be D. So tell me something. Who are the people who lie in A? Who lie in A? So what is A basically? Who are A? Tell me in the comments. Hate story. Who are A? Only Interstellar. Exactly. Very good. Great. Who are B? Who are B? In the comments, just type like this. A, only Interstellar. B, who are B? Great. Who are C and who are D? Tell me in the comments. A, B, C, D. See, everything look clear. Because now, I have attached you to your favorite movies, probably. And now you are starting feeling for it, isn't it? If I took finance, commerce, marketing, तो शायद थोड़ा बोर हो जाते लेकिन अब चलो सबको समझ में आ रहा है कौन कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है cool. Now you have to tell me what is E? What is F? What is G? E, then tell me about F, then about G. Then H. Then I. Then J. By the way, tell me something. Is anyone noticing how I am mentioning, giving the names, giving them the letters, names to different sets? Did you see the pattern? Anybody? Right. All of you, kind of understood that. Now, if I say, what does A plus B plus C plus D denote? What value does A, B, C plus D denote? Exactly, Nandita. You got that? A plus B plus C plus D are those people who like only one movie, isn't it? They like only one movie. Exactly. So let me represent them by X1. Okay. So X1 is the sum of all the people who like only one movie. Cool. Well, next. E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J. Let it be X2. Cool. I'm so happy everyone is able to understand this part. E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J. What does it denote? It represents the people, sum of all people who like exactly 2 movies. Exactly 2 movies. After that, now, what does K denote? What does K denote? No, Shubham, बस इतना ही है. Full group का इतना ही होगा. What does K denote? No, K, Yashwin, Aditya, not exactly 3 नहीं बोल रहा वो. नहीं. It is denoting Interstellar plus Inception plus John Wick. You have to name the movies. 3 में तो और भी आ जाएगा, Yashi. 3 में और भी आएगा. Not just this. K denotes, K is the sum of the people. K denotes those people who like Interstellar as well as Inception as well as John Wick. Alright? Right? Cool. Now you have to name it. K के बाद क्या आता है? L. What does L denote? What does L denote? L लिखना L equal to which movies? Interstellar, John Wick, and कुछ कुछ होता है. Great. KLM. What does M denote? Sherry, that's so smart. All 3 except Inception. Very good. M denotes what? The people who like all, but not John Wick. Right? Interstellar, Inception, and कुछ कुछ होता है. N will denote the people who like all but Interstellar. Very good. And then comes, okay, चलो इनको ऐड कर लेते हैं. So K plus L plus M plus N, this sum, let us denote by X3, which means the people who like exactly 3 movies. Here, K plus L plus M plus N are the people who like exactly 3 movies. And then comes O. The people who like all 4 movies. Rachna, F is not 2 movies. F is only Interstellar and John Wick. F is lying in this group as well as this group, not in other groups. Cool? So now I'll give you 30 seconds to absorb this information and then we'll move ahead. Okay? 30 seconds. Now I was thinking, in this holy weekend, what has to be done from my end so that the pace is also not disturbed, the pace of the class, and also understanding is proper. So I felt like I should, give some examples which people actually like. Not those boring examples of finance and economics, movies, songs, right? No hate me in circles, you'll get confused. Anushka, L. L, where is L? L is this one. So it lies in this red set, which is kuch kuch hota hai. Also in yellow set, that is Interstellar. Alright, and also in green set, that is John Wick. So L are the people who like Interstellar, kuch kuch hota hai, and John Wick, but not Inception. We never use circles to make 4 sets diagram because if you try to make that, you can make that and you'll get confused automatically because you won't be able to create a proper diagram. Okay? Exactly, Deepthi. Right. So, in the previous examples, like in the 2 groups in 3 groups, we also had people who do not like anything. Okay? So in this case, normally the questions which are asked in CAT, normally they don't have people who do not like anything. If there are, it will automatically be the next one, that is P. Cool. नमन एक बार खुद देख लो 30 सेकंड से एब्जॉर्ब कर लो इन्फॉर्मेशन को दोबारा बोलूंगा तो और कंफ्यूज हो गए देख लेते हैं एल में क्या प्रॉब्लम है एल लुक एट दिस नो एल यहाँ पे है इट्स इन रेड सेट इट्स इन येलो सेट एंड इट्स आल्सो इन द ग्रीन सेट बट इट्स नॉट इन द ब्लू सेट ब्लू में नहीं है ना ब्लू वाला दिस वन बस में नहीं आ रहा सो एल आर पीपल डू नॉट लाइक इंसेप्शन बट लाइक ऑल 3 चलो ओके नाउ दिस थिंग what I've done over here I hope you are making the notes right. And this is going to be very important when I take the third class of Venn diagram, that is Venn diagram optimization. The case of maximization and minimization, there we'll use these equations. Today, they are not relevant, but you need to know this. Cool? All right. Now let us try to solve a few questions. Here comes the first question. I'm giving you because it's 4 sets diagram. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Right now, it's showing 7:18. 7:20 at 7:28, we'll start discussing this set. Your time starts now. 10 minutes. It's not difficult. Just read carefully and you'll be clear. patients currently suffering from a disease were selected to study the effectiveness of treatment of 4 types of medicines, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so I'll just mark them A, B, C, and D. All right. These patients were first randomly assigned into 2 groups of equal size called the treatment group and control group. The patient, anybody has medical background here? रचना कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, वो ऐसे ही लोग बात कर रहे थे. Ignore that. Am I audible? I'm audible, right? So, medical group people, they know treatment group and control group. The patients in the control group were not treated with any of these medicines. In the control group, they were not treated by any of the medicines. Instead, they were given a dummy medicine called placebo, containing only sugar and starch. Okay, so placebo is given for psychological effects. People feel they are getting the medicines, but they are getting nothing. Anyways, the following information is known about the patients in the treatment group. By the way, the placebo group, control group is not in our concern. हमें उससे मतलब ही नहीं है. The 2 equal sizes. So basically, we are only concerned about treatment group. That means 500 patients. Okay, they are equal size. 500 are of no use to us. Total will be 500. Is there no audio for anyone, Bablu? Am I audible? So now it is clear that we will ignore the control group because that is not under our concern. We'll only talk about 500 people. So overall, there are 500 people. Okay. Total of 250 patients were treated with type A medicine. So I'll just write 250 over here. The sum of all of this will be 250. And total of 210 were treated with type C medicine. Okay. Type C is 210. Cool. Next. 25 patients were treated with type A medicine only. Type A medicine only. So when I gave you the example in the previous slide, only wala hai, type A only, that means we're talking about this part. 25 are the ones who are treated with type A medicine only, and 20 were treated with type C medicine only. That will go over here. No problem in that. 10 patients were treated with type D medicine only. Okay? So what is not given to us? What's not given to us? This is not given to us yet. By the way, I hope. So the first step is clear to all of you. Those who could not solve the question, this part is tell me in the comments. Is this clear? Till here we have ideas about only one, exactly one wala case. Right? Okay. 35 patients were treated with type A and type D medicines only. Only. So Gandhi, where we have only? Just that whatever written, I have just mentioned over there. Till now we haven't done any kind of calculation. Vatsal, we have to attempt this kind of question. It is very easy. By the way, 4 group Venn diagrams are always easy. 35 treated with type A and type D only. So, type A is this group and type D is this group. We want something which is in type A and type D only, not in B and C. That means this one, right? This is how much? 20? 35. Is that cool? 35 were treated only with type A and type D. 20 were treated with type A and type B only. Type A and type B only. So A and D में होगा, C और D में नहीं होगा. Which one should be that? A and B only? A and B only? This part, right? This is 20. Clear? All right? Was it left last corner? We're not sure. It's not given in the question yet. Okay. We will keep on reading. Probably we'll get the answer in the next statements. Till now, we haven't got the answer. Okay, Rachit, is that clear? 30, I'm going step by step, right? 30 were treated with type A and type C only. Type A and type C only. How many are there? 30. So this will be 30. This is type A and type C only. There's no B and D over there. 20 were treated with type C and type D only. Type C and type D only. How many are there? It's 20. So, tell me. Is it clear till this part? Till now we have accommodated statement A, statement B and statement C. Clear? Tell me in the comments, be quick. So far, so good? Okay, we're going step by step. Coming to D. 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines. Exactly 3 types of medicines. How many? 100. 100 were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines, which is given by, let's say this is A. I'll change the color for the sake of ease. Let this be A, B, C, and D. So tell me, this A plus B plus C plus D, this is, now comes the calculation. Abhi tak calculation kiya hi nahi humne. Nishit, right? A and C wala repeat. What happened? 30. A and C, no? See. This is the group which is under A and under C but not under B or D. Cool. Coming back to the original statements. So A plus B plus C plus D should be equal to 100. I'm writing it over here. Any confusion there? All right. Chirag, aisa ho to maza aa jayega. Tell me in the comments, is it clear till statement E? Now we'll go to statement number E. 40 patients were treated with medicines of type A, B, and C, but not with medicines of type D. A, B, and C, but not with medicines of type D. So which part is it talking about? Which part is it talking about? This line, 40 patients were treated with medicines of types A, B, and C, but not with medicines of type D. Which one is that? A may be who, B may be who, C may be D may now. It is A, isn't it? So this is going to be 40. Cool? Very good. I'll wait for 10 seconds so that it's clear to everyone. Tell me in the comments. Be quick. All right. 20 patients were treated with medicines of type A, C, and D, but not with medicines of type B. A, C, and D, but not B. कुछ भी होगा वो यहाँ पे तो नहीं आएगा. That means this one. This is equal to how much? 20. Cool. Manav, what happened? Manav, it's statement D. Read the statement D once again. The sum is 100, right? Manav, exactly 3 types of medicines. Clear to everyone? Okay, now coming to the next one. Okay. E statement has been accommodated in the coming to statement F. 50 patients were given all the 4 types of medicines. All 4. Great. This is 50. 50 were given all the 4 types of medicines. 75 patients were treated with exactly 1 type of medicine. Exactly 1 type of medicine. How many? 75. This means, I'll change the color. Let's take purple. 25 plus 20 plus 10 plus this should be equal to 75, isn't it? Isn't it? So the question mark is what? Question mark is what? 25 plus 20, 45 plus 10, 55. This question mark will be how much? 20, right? Because sum has to be 75. Any doubt there? Equation banani nahi hai. Bani equation kahin pe bhi. A plus B plus C plus D was there, but it's very easy. In fact, A and D are not even relevant because A and D ka value directly aa gaya. Now, what all things we do not have here? What all we do not have? So we do not have this, we don't have this, we don't have this, and we don't have this. So, Duran, Pragya, and क्या हो गया? Which part? Statement D. 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines. 3 types कौन से थे? In the previous examples, interstellar. Do you want me to show the example? ये देखो. 3 types कौन से थे? K plus L plus M plus N. I hope you are making the notes, aren't you? These are the people who like exactly 3 types of things. Now statement D is clear, I hope. Okay. So now we are doing some calculations and we'll solve the set. First of all, as I can see that this set, the set of A, medicine A, total is 250. Sum of all of this should be 250. Yes or no? Let's add them up. 25 plus 20 is 45, plus 30 is 75, plus 40 is 115, plus 20 is 135, plus 50 is 185, plus 35 is 220. Remaining is 30. Cool. Got it, everyone? We got C as 30. Very good. Now what? What else can be done? What else do we have? We need value of D. Exactly. Because now we have A, this equation, A is there, B is there, C is there, D we can find out. So 40 plus 20, blue ones, 40 plus 20 is 60, plus 30 is 90. This becomes 10. Nice. All right. Clear to everyone? Hey Preeti, how are you? Kaushik, for calculating C, I just added all these values which are in set A. And remaining was, so 220 was the sum. Gunjan, if you add all of it, you get 220. Sum should be 250. So remaining was 30. I put it there. Now we got D as well. Okay. What now? I can add all of this to get the value of C. That should be equal to 210. So let us add this C. Okay. 30 plus 20 is 50, plus 40 is 90, plus 50 is 140, plus 10 is 150, plus 20 is 160, plus 20 is 180. The remaining is 30. So this question mark will be replaced by 30. Is that cool? सही calculate किया मैंने? Please check the calculation. सही है? गलत किया है. Exactly. It should be 20. Very good. At least you are calculating. 20. Clear? हाँ भाई पता 20 आएगा. I know it. That's why I said check करो. Okay. Great. So we have all these things. What else can we do over here? What do we not have? The only blank space left is this one. Right? This one. Right? So now we know that sum of all of this should be equal to how much? शुरुआत में 500. The sum of all the numbers written over here should be equal to 500. Isn't it? 10 वाला part कौन सा? Let's add all of it. 25 plus 20 is 45, plus 20 is 65, plus 30 is 95, plus 40 is 135, plus 20 is 155, plus 20 is 175, 195, 245, 255, 275, 285, 315, 350. The remaining is 150. Let's write 150 over here. And the set is solved. Is it cat level? That was a question asked to Sajjan sir. Chirag knows it. And what he said after that, I will avoid saying that. Priyanka, what happened? B is 20. I want please explain in the comment. For rest of you, is it clear? Yes, सबको add कर दो ना 150. 500 आ जाएगा. I just added all of it because sum of all the elements inside that set should be 500. No, Sumit, because it is given in the question, and if it is not given, we won't assume that. Okay, Sumit? D equal to 10 confusion हो रहा है. क्यों हो रहा है? Because, अरे, you forgot this thing. The sum of A plus B plus C plus D was equal to 100. We got the values of A, B, and C, that is 40, 20, and 30. Remaining is 10 only. 40 plus 20 plus 30 is 90. Remaining is 10. Akriti and others who are asking about how D became 10. Is it clear now? इनका sum होना चाहिए. Nandita, exactly. And you know what, Nandita? What makes the set difficult is this thing. That people might confuse it to 1000 and screw this set, which Nandita did. Exactly, Yash. इसलिए 500 लिया. जो 1000 लेगा उसका गेम हो जाएगा. फाइन कहा मैं क्वेश्चन अभिषेक कैसी बात कर रहे हो यार अभिषेक मेरा नाम और तुम्हारा नाम सेम है तब भी ऐसी बात है. देखो 1000 patients were there assigned to 2 groups of equal size. Treatment group, control group पे डमी मेडिसिन थी. मेडिसिन थी ही नहीं वो. आलू और चीनी मिला के दे दिया. शुगर एंड स्टार्च. आलू का हलवा जो व्रत में खाते हैं. ठीक है. अब बाकी लोग पूछना व्रत का हलवा कहाँ से आ गया. I'm just joking. Okay, this is I'm kidding. So the remaining there are 2 groups 500 each. One is placebo, not relevant, one is relevant. That is why we took 500. Simple technique to draw a 4 sets diagram. अच्छा वो simple technique हाँ देखो. Those who cannot make a diagram properly. By the way, the best question that someone asked today is how to draw this diagram. Seriously, it's a great question. So first of all, make a square. Draw 2 equidistant lines vertically. Then draw 2 equidistant lines horizontally. Okay? Then make a curve, a semicircle, the first and third line like this, second and fourth line like this, vertically as well as horizontally. Now it won't get messed up. Clear? Those who could not make the diagram, now I think it's clear. Aditya, exactly. Good, Shri. That is the best question today. Arjun is saying I'm unable to see chats. How are you chatting them? Okay, so now let us go to the questions. How many patients were treated with medicine type B? Medicine type B. Abhishek, only it is mentioned about people with no medicine. We don't have to consider that. In fact, it is mentioned that 500 people actually got the medicine. Kashani, it's not necessary to maintain the order, but if you maintain the order, you will be confused. It's for your own good, own sake. Otherwise, you can mess up the order and mess the question up. Depends totally on you. Order is important, right? Medicine type B. Medicine type B में कौन आएगा? ये सब आ जाएंगे. Let's add them. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 40 is 80, plus 20 is 100, 150, 160, 190, and 340. This is 340. Let's calculate D as well. 20 plus 50, 70, 80, 100, 110, 260, 290, 325. All right. This is 340. The number of patients who were treated with medicine types B, C, and D, but not type A. B, C, and D, but not A. अच्छा. जो भी इसके अंदर है वो नहीं होगा, बाकी सब होगा. Am I clear? Does it make sense? Treated B, C, and D, but not with A. Which one is it? B, C, and D तीनों में common हो, but A में no, that is D, which is equal to 10. All right. How many patients were treated with medicines types B and D only? B and D only. B and D only. Which one is that? That is 150. This question mark. It's lying in B and D, but not in C and A. The answer is 150. Then comes the next one. The number of patients who treated with medicine type D. Medicine type D बोला है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? Yes, if it says B, C, and D, that means it is combination of B and C and D. Okay. All right. I hope you got it. By the way, the question needs to be rephrased. I know there can be confusion, but in the real exam they'll give you the options and there'll be no confusion at all. But if it is mentioning like that B, C, and D, but not A. That means we're taking only the common ones. Medicine type D. यहाँ पे it's talking about medicine type D. In question 6, it can be rephrased. The confusion is valid. Okay, it can be rephrased. All right. Which one is that? Medicine type D. What's the answer? 325. It's already we have calculated. Great. Nandita, what happened? The sum is 500 only, if you add everything. That's all? Okay. How many minutes should take to solve these questions right now? Okay, I'll tell you one thing. I think there's a lot of anxiety in you guys. A lot of you. And why is it that I don't understand? Cat in November ke last Sunday. We have 8 months. So if I tell you that if you take only 5 minutes to solve this question, you will get more anxious. बात ये नहीं कितना टाइम लगना चाहिए, बात ये है कि आप तैयारी के किस टाइम पे हो. At what stage of preparation are you right now? You are at the 0th stage, not even first stage right now. So even if you take 30 minutes, I don't mind. Even you should not mind. Clear? So at the 4th stage, which is the real GAT, at that time for this question, you should not take more than 5 minutes. But if I say that right now, you get confused and anxious. So just enjoy the journey. Think about your destination afterwards. रास्ता खूबसूरत नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा. मंजिल बहुत आगे अभी. छोड़ते हैं उसको. Let 24th November. Let us enjoy this March, then April. Till June, let's enjoy the entire syllabus. After that, we'll repeat it twice. Okay? So don't get anxious. Just enjoy the process. Taking 30 minutes to solve it, do it. If you're taking 30 minutes to solve a question of quant, that's also okay. Coming to the next question, this can be a bit difficult. So I'm giving you 12.5 minutes for this. So we'll discuss it at, it's 10:53, 8:05. Okay? Your time starts now. How cool is that? Loving and hating has got the same reason. Like some people get attracted to some other people by saying, oh, you are so smart. But they hate the same person by saying, oh, you are too smart. Right? It happens in life as well. Chalo, now I'm going to solve it. Okay. Some people are asking that would they give you a diagram in the real CAT? No. They will give you a blank paper on which you have to make your own diagram. So let us solve it one by one. First statement, okay, what is it? During the holidays, 570 students in a college spend their time doing at least one of the 4 activities. So no activity का केस ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो कुछ भी ना कर रहा हो, है ना? I think it's clear. It's good in the question. Some were confused that what if people are doing nothing. So it is given that at least one of the 4 activities they are doing it. All right. 270 students watch movies. I'll just mark it as movies. How many are there? 270. 245 students did trekking. By the way, how many of you would love trekking? Tell me. Which one do you like? 495 students learned yoga. Let this be yoga. Yoga is 495. And then we have 260 students were involved in social work. 260. Great. What else? The following information is also given. Ratrika, in sleeping. Wow. Sleeping का यहाँ पे कोई केस नहीं है. Sleeping out है. वो बाहर वाले. First statement says 16.66% of the students. By the way, I'm assuming that you guys know percentage. चंद्रशिला से भी आए हो. Chopta. Nice place. 16.66% is equivalent to how much? 1/6. That is something which all of you know. Right? So, these many people, like 1/6 of the students who watched movies also went trekking, and 2/3 of these also learned yoga. All right? 1/6 of 270. How much is that? 1/6 of 270. That is equal to 45. isn't it? That is equal to 45. Right? Which means 45 people are watching movies as well as trekking. So this set, this one, I'll just change the color. This one, right? This one. This is 45. I'll just write 45 over here. Clear? Itu now you'll get where to place the values. Is this clear? I'll go step by step. The first statement is most confusing, I think. So 45 students were watching movies as well as trekking, and 2/3 of these, of whom? 2/3 of 45. So 2 by 3 of 45 is equal to how much? 30. They are the people who also learned yoga. That means this guy. So this should be 30, and if I assume this to be A, this will automatically be 30 minus A. Is this step clear to all of you? Yash, because it's not written only movies and trekking. Nishit and Yash. If it was only movies and trekking, तो वो ऊपर वाला होता. Clear? It's movies and trekking, and two of these also learn yoga. Tell me in the comments. We'll come to that. No, why would A be 30? They also learn yoga. इसका मतलब ये नहीं सोशल वर्क नहीं कर रहे वो लोग. ठीक है ना? गुंजन मान लो तुम ही होती हो. तुम योगा सोशल वर्क दोनों करती हो. मैं तुमसे बोलूंगा तुम योगा करती हो, तुम बोलोगे नहीं. मैं योगा भी करती हूँ, सोशल वर्क भी करती हूँ. मैं योगा तो करती हो ना? नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ दोनों करती हूँ. ऐसा तो नहीं बोलोगी. Right? So even if you do both the things, you're doing yoga. Yes or no? I'm repeating that. This is 45. And 2/3 of these, who are they? They are 45 people. So 2/3 of 45, that is 30 people. 30 people are doing yoga as well. So एक बात बताओ, yoga कौन सा है? This set is yoga. In this and this is common. This rectangle is common. Sum of these two must be 30. So here I put A, here I put 30 minus A. Sum of A and 30 minus A is 30 only. Is that clear now? Aryan, Ranu, Sahil. This is clear. Rest everything is very simple. पूरा game first statement के अंदर ही है. Got it, everyone? This is the only part that is confusing. And Yash is saying, oh, twice. I like that. Word, social work. This John Wick. Vihana says, why social work? Because Vihana, I just explained that by taking Gunjan as an example. Should I take you as an example? If you're doing yoga and social work both, that means you are doing yoga, right? Well, it's clear. A और 30 से ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकता है. क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे यश? बात तो एक ही होगी. अगर ऊपर नीचे होगा तो वैल्यूज वही रहेंगी, है ना? अच्छा, ये सब लोग सोच रहे हैं ऐसा क्यों? यार क्या लिखा हुआ है? Also learn yoga. So the people who are doing yoga as well as social work, उनकी गलती थोड़ी ना कि तुम क्या बोलोगे? जो योगा कर रहा है, सोशल वर्क भी कर रहा है, समझ लो वो योगा नहीं कर रहा, सोशल वर्क भी कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है ना? जो योगा कर रहा है, सोशल वर्क भी तो कर सकता है. If someone is doing yoga, practicing yoga, he or she can also do social work. Yes or no? So if you want to count the people who are doing social work, yoga, I'll also count those who are doing social work as well. Where is the confusion? Oh, Muskan. Now it's clear, no? Until this stage is clear, I won't move forward. Because then nothing will be clear after this. इतना clear हो चुका है ना? No, Sumit. इधर language का error हो गया. These, 2/3 of these. Who are these? 1/6 of 270. Janvi, what is not clear? Which part? अच्छा रुको. This is 45. Is this clear? I'm explaining it again to those who want to explain, who want me to explain again. This is 45. Yes or no? Put a yes there. Yeah, I'm explaining again. Slowly. This yellow part is 45. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Out of these 45, 2/3. What is 2/3 of 45? It's 30. Yes or no? It's 30. So out of these 45, who 45? Who are doing movies and trekking both. Out of these 45, 30 are also doing yoga. So yoga is represented by these two grids, these two squares. What is common to movies, trekking and yoga? These two squares. Their sum should be 30. So I can take A and B and put A plus B as 30. I'll make an equation and confuse you more. It's better to have only one variable. That is A and 30 minus A. If I take A and B and then write A plus B is 30, they'll confuse you more. Just take one variable. Try to reduce your variables. So I took A and 30 minus A. If I add them up, I'll get 30 only. So in a way, I saved at least 20 seconds by taking only one variable. Right? Okay. First statement has been accommodated. Coming to the second statement. 80 students took part in all the activities except watching movies. All the activities except watching movies. All activities except watching movies. That means 3 of them. Movies nahi. So in this, यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा 30. All of them in trekking as well as yoga as well work. So this will be 30. कितना? 80. Sorry. This is 80. Cool. 80 people are doing everything except movies. ये उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Second step, clear. Just put clear there because I cannot see you guys, so I don't know your expression. I'm dependent on your comments only. Second step, clear. Put clear over there. Coming third step. 40 students learned yoga but were not involved in any of the other 3 activities. What does that mean? What does that mean? 40 students learned yoga but were not involved in any of the other activities. That means they are doing only yoga. Only yoga, which is 40. Okay? Very good. What next? Third statement is also clear. Coming to fourth one. The number of students who neither watched movies nor went trekking but learned yoga is 100. Alright. मूवी भी नहीं देखी, ट्रैकिंग भी नहीं गए, बट योगा सिखा. They are 100. Who are they? Did not watch movies. They would not come in this set. Did not go to trekking. Would not come in this set. But they did. But learn yoga. They are in total how many? 100. So what does that mean? That means it should be social work plus yoga. Exactly. So it should come here. Somewhere over here. Okay. So let's do one thing. 40 plus 60 is how much? 100. So if I take this as B, this will be 60 minus B. Makes sense? Makes sense? All right. Coming to fifth. The number of students who learned yoga and watched movies, but were not involved in other activities. Okay. Shubh, we'll come to that. We will get solved. Wait. Fifth. The number of students who learned yoga and watched movies, but were not involved in other activities. Learned yoga and watched movies, but not in other activities. Who are they? Learn yoga and watch movies, but not this thing. Talking about this, right? But learn yoga, but it's not mentioned anywhere about social work. Exactly. So you are right. Very good. It should be 60 only. Perfect. Well done, guys. बिल्कुल सही. 60 only. Yeah, it's 60 only. Fifth. The number of students who learned yoga and watched movies but for not other activities. This circle is twice the number of students who learned yoga, watched movies, and were involved in social work but did not trek. Which means this one. Right? Yes, नहीं कर सकते. social work नहीं कर सकते. अभी clear हो जाएगा. रुक जाओ. ठीक है. Look at statement 5. This can confuse you. The upper circle should be twice of the lower circle. Isn't it? So I just mark it for your ease. I'll assume a variable. Let me call this B and this to be 2B. All right. So fifth statement has been accommodated. रिया, क्योंकि वहां पे लिखा था कि वो योगा करते हैं, तो जो इसका मतलब ये हुआ, रिया and Harsh, it says they're doing yoga, right? They're doing yoga. The people who are here, they are not doing yoga. That is why इसको include नहीं किया. Understood? People were probably Yash and other girl. 100 people were doing yoga, isn't it? They were doing yoga, which means this part would not be considered. These guys are doing only social work. Clear? Okay. I hope that statement is clear to you now. Fourth is clear. Fifth is also clear. Yes or no? Fifth is clear. Tell me in the comments. It's clear. Fifth statement. Yes, कोई बात नहीं. Number of students who learned yoga and watched movies but were not involved in other activities, which is this, is twice the number of those who learned yoga, watched movies, and involved in social work but did not trek. This one. 2B and B. Coming to sixth statement. The number of students who watched movies and learned yoga is 255. Who watched movies and learned yoga? Who are they? These guys. So this means 2B plus B plus A plus 30 minus A is equal to 255. A and minus A get cancelled. 2B plus B is 3B. 3B is equal to how much? 225, which means B is equal to 75. So we solve it right away. Sorry. This becomes 75 and this becomes 150. All right. Sixth also clear. Coming to seventh. Nobody spend time doing social work only. This is. I'm so sorry. I think I got cold. क्या हो गया 255? What happened? What's the problem? मैंने क्या लिखा है? 255 तो लिखा है. What's the problem? 255 ही तो है. 30 यहाँ गया माइनस हो गया. लिखे 225. यार कमाल हो गया है. सानिया. थर्टी माइनस नहीं करोगे? वाह. Please look at this expression again. Only subtract 30. Okay. Nobody spent time doing social work only. 0. 8. People are saying 8th and first are contradictory. Fifth statement, what's the problem? Achha. It says, who learn yoga and watch movies but not involved in other activities. It's twice the number of students who, ठीक है? Just a minute. I think I'm sneezing. Well, what's the problem? The number of students who watch movies and learn yoga is 255. Watch movies and learn yoga. तो ट्रैकिंग करे ना करे हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't really matter whether the guys who are watching movies as well as learning yoga, they're doing trekking or not. It doesn't really matter. No, that will be counted, right? वही बात हो गई गुंजन वाला केस जो भी गुंजन ने पूछा था मुझसे. Aryan, what happened? Minus 32 to first. That's what I have done. No, see. 8-1. None of the students were involved in only two activities: trekking and watching movies. Trekking and watching movies. That means only two activities. Only two की बात हो रही है. Only two. That is this one. No one was involved. That is 0. By the way, the sum of all these yellow part is 45. This is 0. This will become 15. Yes or no? Aryan, equation is perfectly right. You please check it again. Because 500 people checked it and they found it correct. You please check it again. Anamika is saying the same thing. यार मुझे एक बात बताओ. 3B and this 30. Can't you guys see this 30? Why string side edit as well? There was you asking. Oh, एक बात बताओ. क्या यहाँ ऐसा लिखा है the number of students who only watched movies and learned yoga is 55? Is the term only here? Is the question using term only in 6th? It's not using only. It's not using only, right? I'll come to 7th again. 15, how came 15? But let us understand this. Unless the term only is used, we won't consider it to be only watching movies and learning yoga. It is saying the people who are watching movies and learning yoga, इसके अलावा कुछ करे या ना करे वो भी count होंगे ना? So if I'm watching movies, learning yoga and doing trekking as well, then also I'll be counted in that. The only term is not used over here. Right? Is that clear now? Those who had confusion, is that clear? Great. Now, how came 15? Let us talk about that. This is 0, right? This one is 0. Let's add all of them. And the sum of all of them should be 45. That's what discussed earlier as well. Right? 0 plus a plus 30 minus a is 30. Remaining is 15. Put 15 over there. Got it now? Perfect. I'm so happy. Is the screen flickering again? I think it was just a second. The fraction of a second. Coming to last statement. हो गया. 9th. 50 students spent time in trekking only. This is 50. So only this is given to us. Rest everything we have to calculate. All right. Tell me. Till here, I think everything is clear. Now we are going to fill in the missing blanks. All right. How to do that? How to fill the missing blanks? Exactly. Very good, Deep and Abhishek. Let's try to find total of yoga. Yoga total is 495. It's given to us. Let us add all of it. All of it. So I'm adding it and I'm saying it out loud. I'm not writing it. This is an easy calculation. So 150 plus 75 is 225. Some of these is 30. 225 plus 30 is 255. Plus 40, 295. Plus 60. Is how much? 355. Plus 80 is 435. Remaining is 60. Let's put 60 over here. Cool. All right. We got 60 over there. So far, so good. Now what? Let's use tricking. This set, 0 plus 50 plus 60. Okay. 50 plus 60 is 110. Plus 30 is 140. Plus 80 is 220. Plus 15 is 235. Remaining is 10. Let's put 10 over here. Well, actually, we'll go to that. Wait. Clear? Now, what else can be done? अभिषेक कहाँ 20 आएगा? Okay. What should we do now? Which part should we take now? Chalo. Let's add this whole. Movies. This total is 45 plus 225 is how much? It's 270. Wow. See what happened just now. What happened right now? Sum of movies is 270. These two will be 0. Because already 270 has been accommodated. By adding 150 plus 75 plus a plus 30 minus a plus 15, we got 270. Right, Kashish? Both are 0. मजा ही आ गया. What next can be done? What next should be done? So we got everything. We just have to find the value of a. That's the only thing that we have to find out. How to find the value of a? By using social work, exactly. So let's add all of them. The sum should be equal to 260. 75 plus 15 is 90. Plus 80 is 170. Plus 10 is 180. Plus 60 is 240. 240 total, this should be equal to 20. If 30 minus a is 20, a would definitely be 10. And this set is solved now. Interesting, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this set a lot. The best thing is there is no high-fi mathematics involved over here. It is just the, I would say, what do you call it? Observation? Observation or just, loving your numbers. That is what it is all about. So this is the kind of data that you'll be dealing with once you will do your MBA in finance especially. A lot of data is there. Anyways, let us solve the questions one by one. The first question is, how many students went trekking but neither watched movies nor were involved in social work? They went trekking but involved in neither movies nor social work. How many are there? Some are saying 60, some are saying 110. Why? They went trekking but did not watch movies and did not do social work. So it's 50 plus 60, that is 110. All right, the answer is 110, not 60. How many students were involved in social work but did not learn yoga? Involved in social work but did not learn yoga. Social work but not yoga. So how much it will be? 10 plus 15, right? 25. 25 only. Clear? Next one. How many students learned yoga and went trekking but were not involved in social work? Learn yoga and went trekking but not in social work. Learn yoga, went trekking but not social work. 10 plus 60, that is 70. Clear? How many students spend time in exactly 2 activities? Exactly 2 activities. Exactly 2. exactly do? How many are there? 280? Yeah. At least 3 activities. At least 3. That means 3 and 4. Both will be counted. 10 plus 75 is 85. Plus 15 is 100. Plus 80 is 180. Plus 20 is 200. So answer is 200. Great. What happened? How 280? Achha, 280 कैसे आया? In exactly 2 activities, no? In exactly 2. Which one are they? Let me use purple. Exactly 2. 0 plus 60. Okay. 0 plus 60. Exactly 2. Movies and yoga. That is 150. Alright. Alright. What else? So movies and trekking, we got it. Yoga and social work, we got it. Movies and yoga, we got it. Movies and social work, it's 0. Trekking and social work is 10. What is this remaining? Yoga and trekking, that is 60. Right, what is this remaining? It's over. 60 plus 150 plus 10 plus 60, that is 280. Clear? Alright. Clear? 280 कैसे आया? All of you? Yash and everyone? Okay. Ready for one more set? One more set. Or do you want it as a homework and in the next class we'll discuss solution? What do you want? I think there should be one set which you do without me. Right? And once you do it in the homework, the next Thursday we'll discuss it in the first 10 minutes, the solution, and then start with Venn diagram optimization. Okay? Cool. I think there should be a homework which normally happens in classes. This is the, take the screenshot. सर अब आंसर नहीं दूंगा मैं. No. In 2020, each of the 900 candidates who contested in rural or urban areas of Uttar Pradesh elections belong to either the Congress party or the Bahjan party, but not both. Oh yes, Jia, that's right. Okay. Let's do both of them in the next class. I'm sneezing a lot actually. Yeah, both. One is from circular arrangement. There's one set which was the homework. Alright then, I hope we could not solve more than 2 sets, but yeah, those 2 sets were, I think, they actually gave you a lot of detailing, isn't it? And you must have gone through a lot of things which are relevant and how to interpret data. So step by step, we are increasing the level of difficulty of classes, and we'll do it more in the upcoming sessions. So let's meet next week. All right. Take care. Good night, everyone. Nandita, by practice. Don't worry. If you're taking too many variables, it's okay. Slowly you'll understand it. Allusion दिक्कत हो रही है. थोड़ा solve कर लो. Solve and ask doubts if there are any. Harsh, algebra में time है अभी. Time in work, time spent in distance, which will take close to 5 classes after that algebra will start. अगला एक और class होगी. Optimization. आज अच्छी बात यह है कि सबको समझ में आ गया. That is the best thing which I'm lacking today. I think I should pick this pace only, right?